This will be a speed test between the Asus ROG Phone 2 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now the ROG Phone 2, this one has the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, a whopping 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, Android 9 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Snapdragon 855 non-plus version, also 12 gigs of RAM on this bad chicken, Android 9, latest version of its One UI overlay. Go ahead and put the S Pen back in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one will have the faster boot up. Go! Should be an interesting matchup. Let's see who will win the boot up. Woo! That ROG Phone sound. Oh, looks like we have the ROG Phone here, out in front. We'll go ahead and wait for the Note. As you can see. And we are in. All right, real quick, let's go ahead and scroll over to where all the apps are. There you go. And then on the ROG Phone, there is X mode, which is already turned on, as you can see right there. And as well as, if I remember where it is, it's called OptiFlex. That's right. And then you click on this, and then I have it turned on for all the apps I'm going to use for the speed test, so you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that, and then check on this one. No recently used apps on both phones. All caches have been cleared. Browsers have all been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. ROG Phone. Messages. ROG Phone again. We'll go ahead and do the camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder. Go. Call that one a draw. And then let's see, we do have the, what app do we have next? We have the clock on both. Ooh, maybe that was the Note actually. Nice. Start that up. Chrome and Samsung Internet. Ooh, faster on the left. Let's go ahead and do search for, let's go to Samsung. Okay, looks a little different here, but we'll just go ahead and click on this one. I do have the dark mode turned on the Samsung browser on the right, if you're wondering. Looks pretty sick on the dark mode, by the way. Very nice. Cross this one out. Let's go to something else. Let's go to GSM Arena. Go. Ooh, faster on the Note. And then click on this. Oh, very close. Call that one a draw. Pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the Note. Do the same thing on the, oh, what's going on here? It doesn't want to do it. What? Huh, interesting. Okay, works here. Huh, ROG Phone, what's going on? It does not work. Interesting. Scroll all the way to the bottom. With the 90 Hz display on the ROG Phone, nice and buttery smooth on the scrolling. Much better than what's on the Note. Yeah, 90 Hz makes a big difference. Much preferred how it looks, how fluid it is on the ROG Phone. We'll go ahead and go to the desktop version. Go. Which one is faster? Ooh, very close. Slow down the video. And again, I'll pinch to zoom here. Nice and fast on the Note. However, on the, oh yeah, on the ROG Phone, with its 90 Hz display, ooh, that is just butter right there. Probably can't tell in the video, but in person, oh yeah. So smooth on the ROG, very nice. And get out of this. Calculator on both phones, very close. And then we do have the Play Store. And then let's see, let's do a search for my fave. Click on this one, and then we'll install, nope, Amazon Shopping. Oh, give this to the Note. We'll click on the deal of the day. Ooh, very close. Maybe the Note again. We'll click on this one. Next up, we do have eBay on both phones. Ooh, man, that was close. Can't really tell. Click on this one, faster on the ROG. We'll click on this blaster. A little bit faster on the Note. Mario Run. On to some games. So you can see X mode turned on the ROG phone. Ooh, and give the win to the ROG. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. I think the ROG is ahead. Yup. Give the win to the ROG. We'll play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Looks like the ROG phone is out in front. And we'll give the win to the Asus ROG Phone 2 on this one. Asphalt 9, let's go. Let's see. Ooh, give the win to the ROG Phone again on this. Of course, we do have to test out the PUBG. So you can see, Tencent Games. Who's gonna win this one? ROG Phone 2 out in front. Let's see. Loading on the ROG. Ooh, the Note catch up. Nope. Give the win to the Asus on this. Go and get rid of that, get rid of this. Photoshop Express on both phones. Click no on that. Let's see, do we have this picture here? Oops, mistouch. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and choose, let's see, white balance on both phones. I'm gonna click on the cloudy filter. I'm gonna jack this up all the way. And what is going on here? There you go, mistouch again on the ROG, my bad. And we're gonna save the gallery, see which one saves faster. Go. Oh, and give the win to the Note 10 Plus on that one. Note 10 with a comeback. We do have Twitter, Instagram, draw, maybe the ROG by a split second, WhatsApp, draw, and Snapchat, again. Take a look at the multitasking on both phones. All apps in the background, as you can see. Now, both these phones have 12 gigs of RAM, so I do not see any issues with these phones as far as the RAM management. Should go through these apps like nothing, but let's see what happens right now. We'll just go through these again. So far, so good. Okay, no lag yet. Asphalt 9. Good to go. Angry Birds 2. Good to go on both. We do have the Temple Run. Same place, nice and fast. Mario time on both phones. eBay, good to go. Amazon, whoo, nice and fast. And then we do have the Play Store, same place. Calculator, there you have it. Browsing, good to go. Clock, still running the stopwatch. And then we'll check out the camera right now. Do like this. Draw, very nice. And then let's see, we have the messages. Nice and fast. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My gamers out there, if you have last year's Asus ROG Phone, are you gonna upgrade to the ROG Phone 2? If you have a Razer phone or a Razer Phone 2, are you gonna make the switch to the ROG Phone 2? This phone is fully spec'd out, Snapdragon 855 Plus, a nice and hefty 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, a spectacular OLED display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, super smooth. I definitely enjoy using this device. Front-firing speakers sound absolutely fantastic. This phone is sick. Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your super clean Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus? This phone is sick as well with the S Pen, But my favorite part about this phone is the aura glow. I mean, take a look at this. I mean, look at that. Look at this. I'm gonna do that again. Look at the color right there. Look at that. Woo! That is so hot. That color shift. Man, this finish, Samsung hit it out of the ballpark with this color, man. The unicorn, oil slick, iridescent, call it whatever you want. I just love how this looks. The aura glow, very nice. I love it, man. I love it. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup between the Asus ROG Phone 2 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thanks for watching. Peace out.